Best AI Content Writing Tools in 2023. In the rapidly evolving landscape of content creation, artificial intelligence, AI, has emerged as a powerful ally for writers, marketers, and businesses alike. AI content writing tools have revolutionized the way content is produced, enabling faster, more efficient, and higher quality writing. These intelligent tools leverage natural language processing (NLP) and machine learning algorithms to generate engaging and relevant content across various industries and niches. GPT-3-powered content generators. GPT-3, Generative Pre-trained Transformer 3, is one of the most advanced AI language models developed by OpenAI. Content generators powered by GPT-3 have taken AI content creation to new heights. These tools can produce blog posts, articles, product descriptions, and social media content with remarkable fluency and coherence. With GPT-3, content creators can input a few prompts or keywords, and the AI will generate lengthy and informative pieces of content in seconds. The tool's ability to mimic human writing styles and adapt to different tones and formats makes it invaluable for businesses looking to streamline their content production. SEO-optimized writing tools. AI-driven SEO content writing tools have become essential for digital marketers and businesses seeking to boost their online presence. These tools can analyze keywords, optimize content for search engines, and ensure that the text meets the requirements for higher search engine rankings. In 2023, AI SEO writing tools have evolved to offer more sophisticated keyword research, competitor analysis, and content performance tracking features. By harnessing AI's analytical capabilities, businesses can create content that not only appeals to their target audience, but also ranks well in search engine results pages, SERPs. Social media content creators. Social media has become an integral part of brand communication, and AI content creators are stepping up to meet the demand for engaging and shareable content. AI-powered social media content generators can craft attention-grabbing posts, tweets, and captions that resonate with followers. These tools often come with built-in features for hashtag recommendations, post scheduling, and audience targeting. By automating social media content creation, businesses can maintain an active and consistent online presence, driving higher engagement and brand visibility. Natural language editing and proofreading. AI-driven natural language editing tools have become indispensable for writers and editors in 2023. These tools can analyze written content for grammar, syntax, spelling, and style errors, providing real-time suggestions for improvement. Moreover, some AI editing tools have evolved to offer context-based recommendations, ensuring that the writing remains coherent and aligned with the intended message. By enhancing the editorial process, writers can produce polished and error-free content more efficiently. AI-enhanced content research platforms. Content research is a fundamental aspect of creating informative and authoritative articles. In 2023, AI-enhanced content research platforms are transforming the way writers gather data and information for their articles. AI research tools can analyze vast amounts of data, extract relevant insights, and present them in a digestible format. Writers can use these insights to enrich their content with accurate statistics, trends, and expert opinions, elevating the credibility and value of their articles. Multilingual content translation. In a globally connected world, businesses often require multilingual content to reach diverse audiences. AI-driven content translation tools have become instrumental in overcoming language barriers and facilitating cross-cultural communication. Advanced AI translators can accurately translate content into multiple languages, ensuring that the original message and tone remain intact. This capability enables businesses to expand their reach and engage with international audiences seamlessly. Content strategy and topic generation. AI content strategy tools help businesses and writers identify trending topics and discover content ideas that align with their target audience's interests. By analyzing user behavior and content trends, AI tools can suggest topics with high search volume and low competition. Additionally, some AI content strategy tools can analyze competitors' content and identify gaps in the market, enabling businesses to create content that stands out and captures their audience's attention. E-commerce product description generators. E-commerce businesses benefit greatly from AI-powered product description generators. These tools can automatically generate persuasive and compelling product descriptions that highlight the features and benefits of each item. By using AI product description generators, businesses can save time and resources on manual content creation, allowing them to focus on other aspects of e-commerce growth and customer satisfaction. Natural language chatbots. AI-powered chatbots have become an integral part of customer support and communication for businesses. In 2023, natural language chatbots have evolved to offer more personalized and contextually relevant responses to user queries. With improved NLP capabilities, chatbots can understand and respond to complex questions, engaging users in more natural and meaningful conversations. This level of personalization enhances the overall user experience and builds trust between businesses and their customers. AI-driven content performance analytics. AI is transforming content performance tracking and analytics. AI-driven content analytics tools can analyze audience behavior, engagement metrics, and conversion rates to provide actionable insights for content optimization. By harnessing AI analytics, businesses can refine their content strategies, tailor content to their target audience's preferences, and achieve higher ROI on their content marketing efforts. While AI content writing tools offer numerous benefits, it is important to remember that human creativity, expertise, and empathy remain essential in crafting content that truly connects with readers on a profound level. AI can augment and enhance the writing process, but the human touch is irreplaceable in creating content that resonates, inspires, and drives meaningful engagement. As we embrace the transformative power of AI in content creation, let us remember to harness this technology responsibly, ensuring that human values and ethical considerations guide its development and implementation. By striking a harmonious balance between AI innovation and human creativity, we can shape a future where content creation knows no boundaries and captivates the hearts and minds of people worldwide. Moreover, as AI content writing tools continue to advance, it is crucial for content creators and businesses to stay informed about the latest developments and best practices. Embracing AI-driven solutions requires understanding how these tools can complement existing workflows and contribute to the overall content strategy. Additionally, while AI can automate various aspects of content creation, it cannot replace the value of authenticity and originality. Genuine storytelling, unique perspectives, and compelling narratives are the cornerstones of content that stands the test of time and resonates with audiences. The year 2023 has witnessed significant advancements in AI content writing tools, with applications spanning content generation, editing, research, translation, and analytics. These AI-powered tools have proven invaluable for businesses, marketers, and writers seeking to enhance their content creation and marketing strategies. As AI continues to evolve, we can expect even more sophisticated content writing tools that cater to the diverse needs of content creators across industries. The integration of AI in content creation not only streamlines processes but also opens up new possibilities for creativity and innovation, ushering in a new era of dynamic and engaging content for audiences worldwide. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.